In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use APIs in your Asana platform. This tutorial is designed to be straightforward, so let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up Asana and select the project you'd like to work on. With your project open, take a look at the top right-hand corner of the Asana interface. You'll find a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a range of customization options for your project. Once you're in the customization menu, you'll see a few different tabs to choose from. What we're interested in today is the Apps tab, so go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll find a variety of tools and applications that can be integrated with your Asana projects. For today's demonstration, we'll be focusing on Google Drive. However, these steps can generally be applied to connect other supported apps and tools as well. After you've navigated to the Apps section, click on Add. You'll now see a list of different tools and applications that you can connect with your Asana project. Scroll through the list until you find Google Drive or the specific application you want to integrate. For our purposes, find Google Drive, and once you've located it, click on it to add it to your project. Now that you've selected Google Drive, the next step is to connect it to your Asana project. This is an important aspect because it allows seamless integration between Asana and the chosen application. You'll be prompted to connect Asana with Google Drive. To do this, simply click Connect and follow the on-screen instructions. During this connection process, you'll be asked to grant Asana certain permissions that are necessary for the integration to function properly. This might include access to specific files or data within your Google Drive. It's essential to allow these permissions to enable the full range of features and functionalities between the two platforms. Additionally, you might encounter some information regarding integration rules for Asana and Google Drive. These are general guidelines or policies that ensure both platforms work together effectively. It's a good idea to read through these briefly to understand any limitations or specific use cases that might apply. Once everything is set up, Asana will also appear in Google Drive as a connected application. This means that not only can Asana access Google Drive, but the integration is reciprocal, making your workflow more cohesive and efficient. And there you have it. That's how you use APIs in your Asana project. By linking tools like Google Drive, you enhance the capabilities of Asana, allowing for a more streamlined and productive project management experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.